Here's a quick look at what the switch and the wiring looks like for the BN4 Eberspacher. This is 1974 bus. The switch, I do have the timer running at the moment, but that will not interfere with what I'm about to show you, which is the firing of the Eberspacher for the first time in this bus. Just get that out of the way. So you want ignition on, red lights on. You can turn the switch very so slightly to the right. As we can hear, the gas heater's running. And is firing and is running. So it is 90 degrees Fahrenheit today. Definitely not the need for a running firing gas heater. So able to do this, because this is hooked up 100% stock, you have to bypass the thermostat. By doing that, you have to connect the two blue wires and fool the gas heater into thinking that the switch is not closed, because that's where these wires that then go up into the thermostat, which is alongside the gas tank in here. So that's how I do it on the test bench as well. We fool the gas heater into thinking that the thermostat is open and it's not closed yet. The thermostat is probably closed just on the ambient air temperature being 90-95 degrees here today. So you have to do that in order to get this thing to fire during the hot summer day, just to test it. But as we can hear, it's rumbling away. It will remain running until I turn it off up front at the switch, because their lack of thermostat is not going to allow it to cycle. It will continually run in the on position and will not shut off and then turn on, shut off and then turn on, as the thermostat controls that for this unit. So like I said, just wanted to get a quick vid of this fired up and running into my 74 Westfalia camper.